Open your book to page 953 and let's go to 43. Number 43, you have f of x equal to square root of x. And the picture is given to you. So let's go and make the sketch of that. And again, you want to make a big picture so that you can label things clearly. Okay. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3. And this one, it goes from 0 to 3. And notice it breaks into 6 strips. So you're using the R6. Okay, you're using the right side point, and then have 6 strips. So first, let's go and sketch these things out. So when x equal to 0, you get 0. When x equal to 1, square root of 1 is 1. And when x equal to 2, square root of 2 is about 1.7. It's about right. Square root of 2 is about 1.4. And square root of 3 is about 1.7. Okay. So can you get those points? And if you connect the dots, you're going to look something like that. So this is what the graph looks like. Okay. And so again, R6 means you're going to have 6 strips. So 6 means there are 6 strips. R means for each strip you want to use the right side as the height. Okay, so this is a S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. So the fifth strip, again, use the right side as the height. For the 4, you use the right side as the height. Okay. Then what you want to do is figure out the height of each point. So when x equal to 3, this is square root of 3 right over here. This one is 2.5, 1.5, 0.5. So this point right over here, that is square root of 2.5. And this point over here is square root of 2. This point over here is square root of 1.5. And this point over here is square root of 1, which is 1. And this over here is square root of 0.5. Okay. So now, you want to figure each strip. So S1 is over here. The base is 0.5. And the height, using the right-hand side corner, is square root of 0.5. S2, again, the base is half. Right? Base is 0.5. And the height is 1. S3, the base is 0.5 and the height is square root of 1.5. S4, the base is 0.5, S4, and then the height is square root of 2. S5, the base is 0.5 and the height is square root of 2.5. So again, notice the height. It's a square root of 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So S6, the base is 0.5 and the height is square root of 3. So the total area, use your calculator, you punch in all these numbers and you add all this together, you get 3.83. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 44. You have f of x equal to 4x minus x squared, and it goes from 1 through 3 and using R4. So again, you go from 1 to 3, and then you divide into 4 strips. Okay, so again, let's go and sketch out the graph. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you want to make the graph kind of big. Maybe use up like a half of the page. So that way you have lots of room. So I'm going to make this really big. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5. So again, you plot the points. So when x equal to 0, you get 0. When x equal to 1, and when x equal to 1, you got put in here, so you get 3. When x equal to 2, you get 4. Again, you just make the table. You go to the side, make the table, and then you can just plot in, get all those points. Okay. So again, 0, you get 0. When it's 1, you get 3. When it's 2, you get 4. When it's 3, you get 3. When it's 4, you get 0. Okay. So your graph gonna look something like this. Okay. But you only want to go from 1 to 3. So you're only interested in this right over here. And you're only interested in this right over here, from here to here. So again, I want you to divide into 4 strips. Divide into 4 strips. So that's your S1, S2, S3, and S4. And again, you want to use the right hand side. So for each strip, you want to use the right side as the height, as your height. So this one you're going to get here, and this one right over here, this one right over here, and this one right over here. Next, what you want to do, you want to get each point. So when x equal to 3, y equal to 3. So that's over here. And when x equal to 2.5, you put 2.5 in here, use your calculator, you work it out, you get 3.75. And this one, you get 4. Right, again, you just substitute the x into the equation, you get y. So these are just the y. And again, remember to use the right hand point, so this is 3.75. Okay. So after you do all that, so S1 is over here, so the base is 0.5 and the height is 3.75. S2, the base is 0.5, the height is 4. S3, the base is 0.5 and the height is 3.75. Again, all these are rectangles, right? Rectangle, the area is base times height. And S4, base is 0.5 and the height is 3. So the total area, get your calculator, you punch in all the numbers, and you got area equal to 7.25. Okay, and that's it.